Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you add a download link into your Weebly website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a download link into your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business providing information, you know that sometimes you're going to have to put a download link into your website so your users can download a picture or maybe download a PDF. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly website builder. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Weebly website, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a download button, first you're going to go ahead and choose the page you want to add it to. So here on the top left, click on that drop down. And for me, I'm going to go ahead and add it into this page. Okay, so once you've added the page, here on the left side, you're going to see all the different sections for that page. And you want to scroll to the bottom and then click on add section. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see this one right here, button. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, now you can go ahead and choose the format of the section. So let's see here. For me, I kind of like this one just because it's kind of simple and quick. Once you've chosen the format, click into the section. Okay, now first thing you're going to do is go ahead and click into this little box. And for the title, I'm going to leave that on. And we're going to go ahead and just click in here and change it. Here is your download. Okay, I don't really like that font, so I'm going to go ahead and change that. Okay, all right, I'm going to change these words as well. This is the best PDF you will download. Click here. Okay, next we're going to click on the button. Okay, so here is the download button. So here on the left side, once you click on the button, it says links to. Go ahead and click on add link. And here we can set this up. Link to. I'm going to go ahead and say file link. And then we're going to go ahead and add whatever it is you want them to download. So I'm going to grab a PDF. Okay, I just grabbed an image actually. So I'm going to go ahead and save. And then you see how it says view products. So I don't want them to go to a product. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. Download link here. Okay, so now we added a download link, and you're not quite finished until you click on publish. Okay, now it's published. So we can go here to the website. Okay, so here is my Weebly website, and we put it in the Cool Cars, Philadelphia, and we're going to scroll to the bottom. Okay, so here is our download link. So they can just click right here and they can see the image and they can easily just download it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a download link button into your Weebly website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.